Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates.
And today we're going to be taking a look at a Microsoft Access database that is not even on our website yet. It's a brand new one. It is called the Microsoft Access Optometrist Appointment Tracking Database Template. And so when this database template is added to our website, simply go to our webpage that lists out all of our database templates and find the Optometrist Appointment Tracking Database. Once you do that, you'll click on it and you'll be opened up to the webpage that contains the demos. So download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the current version of Microsoft Access that your computer is running on. Once you do that, go ahead and open the file. And once you've done that, you'll be opened up to this screen. And you need to extract all of the files, so hit extract all when you get to this screen. Once you've extracted that file, go ahead and open the file. And so this database template would obviously be perfect for if you're an optometrist and you need to keep track of all your appointments, your customers, and all that. However, if you like this database template, but maybe you want to make it compatible for a different type of profession that you are or run, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to make it compatible for any profession or any request that you do have. So to get started off here, we're going to add a new customer, and we are not going to fill out all this information, but just enough information to make a demo. So we are going to fill out an email, a name, and a phone number. And as I go through this database template demo, you'll notice that you'll see some other data that is in this database template. That is just added for the sake of a demonstration. If you purchase the database template, you'll obviously be able to put in all of your own data and all of your own employees, customers, etc. So as you can see, you can fill out a lot of information on this page. You can fill out an address of the customer. You can put in a picture of the customer, fill out notes, call history, appointment history, payment history, a lot of stuff. It's a really detailed section. But like I said, I'm just going to fill out the information I filled out for the sake of the demo. And now I'm going to hit save and close. And so now what you can do is you can go back and you can search for that customer. So maybe you need to do a quick search and find, my customer Test. I need to find out if he has an appointment today or maybe some notes from his previous appointments. All you simply do is come in here, type in Test for the first name. As you can see, you can fill out lots of different criteria to search by, but we're going to do this one, hit search, and there's that customer that I had created, Test. This is one that was created, like I said, for the sake of a demonstration, but this is the one I just created, so we're going to use that one. You can even double click it if you want to come back and go and edit some information or add in some new information, add in the picture of the employee or customer, sorry. Lots of stuff. We are not going to do that for now. Go ahead and close out of that. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to make an appointment. So go ahead and go to calendar view, and it's going to open up to the daily view, and you can see that we have a weekly view, a bi-weekly view, a monthly view, and a month-day view. So there's lots of different views. But to make an appointment, we're going to go back to our daily view, and we're going to double click the 8 a.m. section and hit right here. And we're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So go ahead and use the customer that I'd created. And optometrist, we'll keep it simple. Do number 1, optometrist number 1. Like I said, that's just test optometrists that were added for the sake of the demo. You'll be able to put in all of your own. Keep it simple. Do location 1. Like I said, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And as you see, even the invoice amount updates. So like each type of appointment, you group, individual, in-house, training, cost different prices. The invoice amount will update in regards to which type you choose. And if you're going to have multiple workers or employees working on this specific appointment, you can do that. You can add in employees to have, maybe you're going to have 3 optometrists for one appointment. Who knows? Or you can also fill out how they're going to pay for it, when they're going to pay for it, the amount they're paying, all of that stuff. So it's a pretty detailed section. So go back to appointment details, and you're going to want to select a custom color. This is for organization. So if I hit OK, this makes it green. I hit save and close. It's going to make it green on the calendar. The reason why this is a big deal is because if you're going to have multiple appointments at the same time or maybe back to back, if they were all the same color, you wouldn't be able to tell when one ends and when the next one begins. So if you color code it, it makes it easy on the eyes, and you can really tell each individual appointment and the time of the appointment. So I'll show you what it looks like in the monthly view. There we go. And you can even double click it if you want to come back and edit the information. So you open it back up in the daily view, you can double click it again, and you can edit any of this information. Won't be doing that for now. Go ahead and close out of that. And last but not least, you can search for that appointment. So I've made that appointment. So if I go to search and I want to search maybe all appointments at location 1, or maybe I want to know what my daily schedule looks like. So I want to search all appointments that start today. You can do that. I'm going to keep the criteria simple and do location 1 and then hit run search. And so that appointment that I created shows up right here. Individual, location 1, test is the customer. And you can even double click this if you want to open back up the calendar view again and edit any of the information. So it's pretty cool. It'd be really good, if you need to keep track of your daily schedule. It's pretty detailed. Close out of it. And so I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. As always, you can find us on about any social media website as well. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those platforms. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.